Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be talking about how you can recover your deleted files or folders on Windows 11 in Windows 11. So let's get started then. Let's get into the video. First of all, open up any internet browser. Like I have Chrome, I'm going to open it up. After that, I am going to search Recuva free download. Then I am going to hit enter, and here is the software link Recuva free download. So I am going to click the third link, CC Cleaner link, and then I'm going to download the software. Then I'm going to click download. It's being downloaded. It's being downloading. It has downloaded now. So I'm going to double click the setup to start the setup, and then I'm going to click yes. After that, I'm going to click install. It will take some time and it will be installed on my system. Then I'm going to click run Recuva. With this software, you can recover your permanently deleted files or folders. Then I am going to select what type of files I am looking for. Are they video files, emails, music, or pictures? So I am going to select all files for now. If I want to search anywhere on my computer, everywhere on my computer, then I'm going to select this option. Otherwise, if I want any specific option, if I want any specific thing to be selected, to be scanned, I can select that. But for now, I am going to click I'm not sure. I'm going to click next. And after that, I'm going to click start. So it is going to scan the files which are available on the system. So it is being loaded. It is loading right now. Here are the files which are recovered. If you like files, if you like some files, here are some files which are recovered. If you want to restore some file, you have to click this and then click recover. It will restore the file and you will be able to find the file again in your system. Thank you for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the like button. Thank you. Have a nice day.